Today we're doing the best exercises to fix an upper diastasis recti bulge above your belly button. These exercises focus on our external obliques, which attach underneath our rib cage, which are going to help bring our ribs in and down as we strengthen it, taking pressure off our midline above our belly button, healing a diastasis recti that is above the belly button and the bulge there, so we can flatten that area. For the last 3 exercises, I will be using a band and one that you can anchor to a doorknob or to your wall. But if you don't have a band, you can do the first 3 exercises and repeat those twice instead to still get a good workout in. We're going to start with ha breathing, where we are going to also use our hands to physically bring our ribs in. So let's relax our core and pelvic floor because we don't want too much pressure going down there. You can place your hands on your lower rib. If you have just one-sided rib flare, you can place just one hand on your rib, and as you breath, you're going to only press down on that one side. Let's inhale, expanding through our side and back ribs. And on the exhale, make the sound ha, and you can curl over a little bit, pressing your ribs down and in. Good. Inhale. And again, pressing your ribs down and in. Good. This should not be painful at all. And let's do it one last time. Good. Releasing out. Let's make our way to a side plank. We can come on our knees, and you can line up your knees, hips, and elbow here. Press into the ground with your forearm. We can take our top hand up, and we're going to use our core and thread the needle as we exhale. Inhale, expanding 360 degrees. Side and back ribs. Exhale, engaging your core. Inhale up. Again, really focusing on your core. Let's do one last one. Good. We can switch to the other side. Big inhale, exhale, reaching through. Good. We can come up into a lunge now. Let's go from a kneeling position. You can face your left and then bringing your right leg forward. Let's tuck your left toes and let's come up into a lunge. We can bring both arms ahead. Let's take a big inhale into our side and back ribs and exhale, opening up to the side and coming back. Good. Big inhale. Good. Again. One more on this side. Good, let's come back to our knees. We can switch to the other side. Big inhale, shoulders are relaxed. Good, releasing it down. So we want to make sure if you have diastasis recti that we are avoiding anchored twists where you are physically pushing yourself into a twist, but if you're using your own core muscles and just slightly twisting through your thoracic spine, it can be very beneficial. If you don't have a band, you can stop there or repeat those 3 exercises again. If you do have a band, you can go ahead and grab it. We'll inhale, expand 360 degrees. Exhale, pulling apart. Good. Moving with your own breath. Good, we're gonna move the band to overhead now. So making sure that we're not popping out our ribs here. They're gonna stay nice down and in. Inhale, shoulders are relaxed. Exhale, pull above. Good. For the next one, we're going to need to anchor our band to a doorknob or the wall. I will bring one knee forward, grab my band with both hands. Big inhale, exhale, pulling across, coming back with control. Moving with your breath. Let's do one more on this side. Good. We can switch around to the other side now. Big inhale, pull across. Last one. Amazing job. Today we did the exercises to heal your upper diastasis recti or your bulge above your belly button. I'm also going to link to a video for the other strategies to heal your upper diastasis recti. Let me know how your healing is going in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.